Whoo-wee! What kind of beauty do we have here from Vanquish? Hey guys, welcome back to Revolution XRC and welcome to this unboxing of the new Vanquish Products VS4-10 Phoenix Portal Edition. Now, I am really excited about this Vanquish release. Like, excited enough to where I'm going to build this one right away. Believe it or not, I already have two Vanquish rigs or kits. I just haven't built them yet. I've got a VS4-10 Origin and a VS4-10 Pro. I just didn't feel excited enough to build it right away. I mean, I think they're really nice rigs and I like them a lot. But, I mean, it was just like a premium RC for me, where you've got metal axles and I just didn't feel like kind of bashing them around. And the VS4-10 Origin, that thing, it's pretty much a collector's item for me, since it's discontinued. So there's probably little chance that I'll build it, but maybe I will, but I don't think I'd be running it really. Now this one, on the other hand, the VS4-10 Phoenix, it's priced just right and it's got high quality materials, but at the same time not using materials where I just kind of feel bad for just bashing them on the rocks, mainly the axles. I'm a fan of plastic axles. I actually am very happy that they released this rig with plastic axles. So that was already a big plus for me. But enough about that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging. Alright, here on the front panel you see the VS4-10 Phoenix. It's got a FJ looking body. It's got portal axles right here that you can see, and it's got their new VFD twin transmission that has dig and overdrive. Looking at the top of the box, just take a look here at some of the packaging. So here it's got a diagram of the chassis. There. And here's a side view of the chassis. Just kind of going over some of the features of this chassis. Here you've got a picture of a fully decked out one with the servos needed for the dig as well as the selectable overdrive. Okay, let's take a look at the bottom. Alright, here is one of the features that excites me. This new VFD twin transmission right here. Now this thing's got selectable overdrive, so you could switch from the standard 6.5% or the high overdrive option, which is 33% overdrive. And you can also have a freewheel, which allows it to run two-wheel drive in the rear, or you have dig. So kind of really cool. No one has done this yet. They're the first, so this is a really cool new feature in this market. So one of the most exciting things for this release. Here's kind of like the layout of the VFD twin transmission, kind of describing what gears and ball bearings and how all that works. Some details on the portal axle here that's covered by the sticker, but basically portal axles, they have universal shafts right now, so no more CVDs. These are universals. I think the old ones are CVDs, I'm not sure, but these are universals, which will give you a really nice steering angle. I think this one goes up to 48 or 49%, so really cool. Kind of a closer look at the axle and the makeup of the axle. The F10 portal axles for this Phoenix. Let's take a look at the side. Alright, some summary on the new VFD transmission. Let me get this glare out of your way, hopefully. There you go. So you can take a look at that. Here's a look at the side shot of this chassis. Here's the other side of the box. So, kind of going over requirements, what this set includes. This new FJ looking body, really cool. I like this design. Got some high clearance for the front wheels here, and it's got like the rear cage design. Alright, let's take a look at the back. In the back we can see it's just like the front in a different color. I really like this color. This is the mil-spec green from Proline airbrush paint. I just painted my MST rig this color, by the way. I won't be painting this rig this color, but it's a really cool color. Alright, so let's get to the good part. Opening this thing up. It's done. So let's take a look at how the packaging is done inside. Here right away we see the tires, the hubs, and the wheels. These are the same as the ones in the VS4-10 Pro, I believe. There. Pretty nice looking. Foams feel alright. The VXT tires. I actually gotta give these a try. I've never tried these out before, so we'll see how these are. Okay, let's see. Really compact packaging, so. Alright, here we see what looks to be like the battery tray. Here's the bumper right here. See a bumper. These fender flares, or inner fenders. Not fender flares, inner fenders. It's got inner fenders, so that's cool. Some scale details, see that? Yep. Fans right there. Kind of reminds me of Axial. They have these two on the Yeti. Alright. What do we got in this bag? The gears. Gears. So we got a bunch of gears in here. I can tell this is the part of the transmission. There's it's a slipper holder, I think, right there. So I can give you a better shot. The rear bed sides. A really nice looking FJ-ish body. And it's got an interior. Look at that. It's got an interior. I like it. I dig it. It's so nice for rigs to be including interiors nowadays. Rear cage, as well as some body posts. Looks like a hinging mechanism right here for the rear cage. We got some more scale details for the interior. It's a steering wheel. Here's the front grille with the light buckets. Alright, F10 portal axles, the front. in one packaging with the bearings and the ring and pinion gear, the hexes. So all the axles in one bag, or the front axle, which means all of the rear axles are in another bag right here. I like it when they package everything that belongs together in one bag. It makes it a lot easier, especially when they have steps that just go bag A and use everything from bag A until they're done. So you're not hunting for parts. Alright, here we've got these shocks. These are, I guess, new styled incision shocks that come with this kit. Ooh, falling it. So, got metal pivot balls, which is nice. I wonder what shock weight or what oil weight this is. But we'll see. So, there we go. These are the shocks. Alright, part of the chassis, you can see this is the skid right there for the VFD transmission. The rear brace, the receiver box, sliders right there. Links. Nice and hefty links. They are straight links though, they're not high clearance links, but no, they're still nice links nonetheless. Also with metal pivot balls, as you can see here. But they do have a good heft to them, so they'll put some weight down low, for sure. Drive shafts, now these are plastic drive shafts, they're not metal drive shafts. But you know, to be honest, I haven't really had any issues with plastic drive shafts, unless the plastic is really bad. But you know, things like the Axial Wildboard WB8, that's been good to me so far. The elements have a metal insert, but those work as well. This one's all plastic. We'll see how this works out. But I don't foresee any big issues with these unless they're really, really bad plastic. But being Vanquish, I don't think they'll be bad at all. Chassis rail. So these are the VS4-10 chassis rails. C-channel rails. And the instructions with the decals, the window masks, some spare parts, some small spare parts. So, and that's about it for this unboxing of this new VS4-10 Phoenix. So really excited to get started on this build. It's got a few neat features that I'm really excited about. The VFD twin transmission with the selectable overdrive. Of course the dig with the ability to freewheel as well. And the new plastic axles. I'm really, really excited that Vanquish finally made plastic axles. I know a lot of people like metal axles, but I'm just one of those guys that I'm happy with plastic axles. I'm happy with the way they work. And they're just easy for me. I mean, I don't have to worry about them. You know, I don't know. Something about scratching on metal axles, it just doesn't sit well with me, even though they're really nice. And it's hard for me to do it. Expensive axles, scratch them all up. But plastic, I'm really happy about. Now they do say, or specify, Portal Edition here. So I'm wondering if there's going to be a straight version. And if they do come out with a straight version, I guess I'm going to have to pick that one up too. On top of hoping that they release these F10 axles separately, because I could definitely see myself using these axles on other builds for maybe like flat rails or whatnot. But yes, I am really excited about this build. Can't wait to get started. Really love the way the rig looks. Really like the features that are included in this. And I think I'm going to be packing this up with a bunch of electronics. I'm going to try to use every feature that's available that's servo operated. So, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. and hit that notification bell for the upcoming build series on this Vanquish product VS4-10 Phoenix. Thanks for watching.